Well, what have we here? Yeah, it's one of those Galaxy box fans with a box. Model 3713, 20-inch 3-speed fan. And according to this little tag, this was purchased at Walgreens back in the day. Here's what it says on the side. Galaxy 20-inch fan, model 3713, 3-speed, safety grills, carrying handle, UL listed. And on the top it pretty much says the same thing. And the other side and the back are the same thing as the one side and the front. So, unbox this and check it out. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the carrying handle. It's got this little rope thing. Set that over there. And yet, what you see in the box is not what you get in the package, as Esky Wolf would say it. And this is apparently an older one, seeing it doesn't have the feet as part of the grill. It did come with these little plastic feet, but fortunately during one of the rehearsal videos I accidentally broke one of the ends off. But I made JB weld it back together in the end. Anyway, according to the date stamped on the bottom, this is a 1979 to 1980 model, so this is like during the early years with this particular blade set. Here's a view of the front. And what's neat about this fan is this one has a perfect front grille. Can you believe that? I can't. Not very commonly do you find these Galaxy boxers with a perfect front grille. A lot of them have pieces broken out of them here and there. Because one fault with these fans is, as you can tell by how I tap on the grills, they're very brittle. Get a zoom of the Galaxy name badge. Yeah, it's got that wagon wheel hub. Turn this around. Here's the one side. I guess it's what you call a slightly greenish tan color. Other side. And maybe if I didn't have those feet on during this video, I wouldn't have broken one off, because I knew I'd be turning this fan around. Here's the back. It's a little bit yellow compared to the front. Pretty much the only grill break on this fan is right here where the original owners probably broke it out on purpose just to fit the plug through. And a lot of the plugs on these fans are pretty bulky. You gotta virtually break out a grill slat just to fit them through. And it's got that famous plastic motor found on a lot of these Galaxy boxers of that era. And this one's a relatively quiet one, but it's still got a bit of the classic motor whine, or kind of a light whir starting up. It's not overbearingly loud like some, which usually means the bearings are worn and whatever else. Turn this thing back around. Give you the top. And sadly, the original handle's missing. It's got this rope for a handle. And here's the typical Galaxy speed knob and speed plate. I have another of these I'm giving to my friend Rusty Bearing 45. That one's the front grill, and the back one too pretty yellowed, and the front grill's got quite a few missing slats, some of which I had to glue back into place. Anyway, plug this in and fire it up. Yeah, this is the plug. You have to virtually break the, as I said, you virtually had to break the grill slats out just to fit it through. Okay, and here we go with high. As you can hear, it's still got that startup whir. And this is a high-speed motor. I mean, low runs like medium, medium runs like high, and high runs like super. Break it down to medium, which runs like high, and low, which runs like medium. Back to high, and off. Turn this around. Remind myself not to stick my fingers in there. I kind of cut my thumb, I believe, doing that one time. See if we can't get some motor sounds. Start off with low. Still got a bit of that spooling up sound. Let that spin down. We'll get medium. is medium. And here's high. And there you have it. It's my 1979 to 80 Galaxy model 3713. Thank you for watching.